Are you ready to elevate your Discord experience? With the latest updates, changing your voice input device is easier than ever. Let's walk through the simple steps to ensure you're using the right microphone or headset for your chatting sessions. First, open the Discord application on your PC. You'll see the familiar interface with your servers and chats lined up on the left side. Next, look for the gear icon. This is the User Settings button, located at the bottom left of the screen. Click on it to enter the settings menu. Once you're in the settings, scroll down the sidebar until you find the option labeled Voice and Video. Click on it to access the voice settings. Now, here comes the crucial part. Look for the Input Device section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that lists all the available audio input devices connected to your computer. This includes your built-in microphone, USB microphones, and any headsets you may have plugged in. Click on that drop-down menu and take a moment to choose the device you want to use for voice input. Whether it's a high-quality mic for gaming or your trusty headset for casual chats, make sure to select the option that best fits your needs. And just like that, you're all set. You can now return to your servers and enjoy crystal-clear voice chats without any interruptions. Remember, ensuring the right input device is selected can make a huge difference in the quality of your conversations. Now, go ahead and connect with your friends with confidence.